Does your iPhone automatically start playing music every time it connects to Bluetooth? Here's how to stop it. First, remove the trigger app. If you don't use the Apple Music, the easiest way is to delete it. For that, press and hold on the Music app. Click on the option Remove App, click on Delete App, and click on Delete. Once you delete this, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is, if you do use Apple Music and don't want to delete it, you can create a shortcut automation. For that, launch Shortcuts app. This is the default app in your device. Now at the bottom, you're going to find the option of automation. Click on it. Now scroll down and select the option Bluetooth. Choose your device, either a specific one like your car or select any device and tap the check mark. Then tap Next. Now tap Create New Shortcut and in the search bar type Play or Pause. Select that action and change it to Pause. Tap Next. Then tap on Play or Pause option, choose Automation, select Run immediately. Finally, tap Done to save your automation, and that's it. Now your iPhone will stop auto-playing music when it connects to Bluetooth. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.